Introducing the 2011 Hyundai Genesis. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.